Hello students, in this video I am going to show you the regulation of purine nucleotides. Now those who haven't seen my previous video on de novo pathway of purine nucleotides, please do see that before seeing the regulation. So you will have a better idea. Now before moving to the regulation, first let me just give you an overview of de novo pathway of purine biosynthesis. The first substrate for purine biosynthesis by de novo method is ribose 5-phosphate. Ribose 5-phosphate is from HMP pathway, that is a carbohydrate metabolism. In presence of with the ATP and enzyme PRPP synthetase, it forms phosphoribosal pyrophosphate, or also known as PRPP. This is not the first step of de novo pathway because this is also required. PRPP is also used for pyrimidine synthesis, other nucleotide coenzymes and salvage pathway. So it is called as a preliminary step. Glutamine donates the amido nitrogen to form phosphoribosal amine. So here the enzyme is glutamine PRPP amidotransferase. So this becomes the committed step for de novo pathway. Okay. So and then you see if there is more amount of PRPP synthesized, PRPP becomes an activator for this enzyme. Okay. So more the PRPP, more the synthesis of AMP and GMP. Then a series of reaction and finally forms the first or parent purine nucleotide, that is inosine monophosphate. Inosine monophosphate then forms AMP and GMP. Now let's see first AMP. It requires adenylosuccinate synthetase, also requires GTP to form adenylosuccinate. It removes fumarate from adenylosuccinate to form adenosine monophosphate. The enzyme is adenylosuccinate lyase. Inosine monophosphate with the help of NAD catalyzed enzyme IMP dehydrogenase forms xanthosine monophosphate. Xanthosine monophosphate with the help of enzyme GMP synthetase and ATP forms guanosine monophosphate. AMP and GMP then with the addition of phosphate forms ATP and then ATP, similar way GDP and then GTP. ATP is required for the synthesis of guanosine monophosphate while GTP is required for synthesis of AMP. So both are required for each other. Now, as I said, this is the committed step. Okay, so the whole regulation of AMP and GMP can be regulated by regulating this enzyme. AMP and GMP acts by feedback mechanism, that is feedback inhibition. AMP and GMP, they will inhibit amidotransferase and thus inhibits the synthesis of AMP and GMP. Similar way, even IMP acts as a feedback inhibitor of amidotransferase. AMP can inhibit its own synthesis, that is, it will inhibit adenylosuccinate synthetase. Similar way, GMP can inhibit its own synthesis, that is, it inhibits IMP dehydrogenase. ATP and GDP both can act as a feedback inhibitor of PRPP synthetase. Okay, so in this way, if you see the four enzymes, that is PRPP synthetase, glutamine PRPP amidotransferase, adenylosuccinate synthetase and IMP dehydrogenase, all the four are the main enzyme in the regulation of purine nucleotides. The intracellular concentration of PRPP also regulates synthesis, and even the availability of ribose 5-phosphate and availability of PRPP synthetase also regulates the purine synthesis. Now coming to the inhibitors of purine synthesis. Inhibitors, they act as competitive inhibitors of naturally occurring nucleotide. They act as antibacterial agents like in sulfonamides. Sulfonamides are sulfur drugs. They are structural analog of para-aminobenzoic acid, and so they inhibit the synthesis of folic acid in microorganism and hence kill the microorganisms. They also act as anti-cancer drugs. Methotrexate is a structural analog of folic acid. Mercaptopurine inhibits the conversion of IMP to AMP and GMP. It acts on adenyl succinate lyase and IMP dehydrogenase. Azathioprine, it's a glutamine antagonist and blocks purine synthesis. So these are some of the inhibitors of purine synthesis. Now, I have made a small video on comments on sulfonamides and methotrexate. So if you want, you can have a look on these two videos. So that's it. That was about the regulation and inhibitors of purine nucleotides. Now please like my video and subscribe my channel so that whenever I put a new video, you get the intimation. There is a link below this video. You will get a descriptive answer. So please be free to download the descriptive answer for de novo pathway and its regulation. Okay. Thank you. That's it.